Hi dear ones, praise Jesus and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate. So in this video it's gonna be about how I just remoisturize my hair without using the shampoo, especially when you feel your hair is so dry and it is not dirty. This is the way to go. So I'm gonna show you and even the products that I usually use. So if you are new to my channel, you are very welcome. My name is Monica. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Like this video, watch this video to the end, and also leave a comment in the comment section below and tell me about what you think about this video. So if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Oh my goodness, what will my channel do without you? I really appreciate for believing in me and believing in my channel and the content that I make. Thank you so much. So here I just begin with just applying the conditioner. So all I'm using is the conditioner from Mega Growth, and I just went ahead and rinsed my hair with warm water, and after that I am applying the conditioner. So this is all I do. I apply the conditioner and then I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes and just leave it to just penetrate into my hair. I'm gonna sit on the sun just to allow the penetration to take place, and I will rinse it out and just twist up my hair, and I'm gonna use the lock method as you will see in a few. So thank you so much. I'm gonna leave you to enjoy this video to the end, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.